Music is life. Music is everything. It's all about the emotion. It's how it makes you feel. I'm Roy Theaker, the Artistic Director of Stonnington Symphony. We have a really diverse cross-section of groups of people within our community organisation, and it's so wonderful. We have tertiary students through to retirees. We have everyone. Everyone is welcome. Every year we normally do an outdoor concert in Malvern Gardens, and unfortunately we weren't able to this year, but we wanted to bring some music to the community. The process of actually having to do a pre-recording is very new to the orchestra. Normally we play live. We are enormously excited to have the opportunity, and we're all absolutely going for it. Sounds of Stonnington is a collection of super funky music that is going to get you wanting to get off your chair and dance.